Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to video 8 in my series on the English language. In this video, we will learn 13 new words, starting with the second 13 letters of the English alphabet. I will pronounce each word and then write it. Then I'll pronounce it again. You should try to pronounce the word as I have said it, and you should also try to write it. If you practice, you will learn to speak and write English. Let's go to the desk.
Net, net, open, open, pen, pen, queue, queue, red, red, six, six, toe, toe, umbrella, umbrella, vase, vase, wall, wall, xylophone, 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 yoke, yoke, zero, zero, net, open, pen, Q, red, 6, toe, umbrella, umbrella, vase, vase, wall, wall, xylophone, 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 yoke, yoke, 0, 0,
Well done! You have learnt to write and say all 26 letters of the English alphabet. You have now learnt a word that begins with each letter of the alphabet. You should practice pronouncing and writing these words. You have done a lot of work, and now we are going to start using the English language as it is used every day. I hope you enjoy these videos and that you keep on practicing your English. If you wish to be notified when a new video is put up, press the subscribe button down below and also the notification bell, and you will be notified when a new video comes online. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.